How are you guys? So, my name is Joshua Cohen. So today we're going to listen to the Stafford CT Church bells at 12 o'clock p.m. in the afternoon. But today is Saturday. We have 2 minutes. It's 11:58. We're in Stafford, Connecticut. The bell might strike. 12 o'clock. I have my gloves on. Pretty cool, huh? No, hold on. I'm checking the time. It's gonna strike in a minute and 10 seconds. It's 11:59. Oh. Mommy, it's 11:59. It's gonna strike in 1 minute. We're waiting for it. Last time it got really loud.
Yeah.
It's gonna strike in 40 seconds. Maybe it's gonna strike in 20 seconds. All right, wait for it. The bell's gonna chime. All right, guess it might chime now. It's gonna chime in 20 seconds. Oh boy. It's gonna chime in 10 seconds.
Whoa. Scared me.
12 o'clock! I can still hear it. Oh, yeah! 12 o'clock! It was so much fun. Yeah, talk about exciting. Gosh, we should hope that all of you join Sky as much as we did. Oh, and we hope to see you again real soon. Don't forget. Where will we go? It's 12 o'clock right now. Oh boy. Alright you guys, well, we have to go to Grandma's now. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.